From FXEmpire, this is Chris taking a look at the NASDAQ 100. The NASDAQ 100 has been slightly positive during the early hours on Monday, but on Monday, there really isn't much in the way to move the markets due to the fact that the economic calendar is almost non existent. So, with that being the case, we could get a little bit of a pullback, but that pullback will almost certainly end up being a buying opportunity. After all, it looks like even though traders were concerned about the Federal Reserve staying tight for longer, they simply turned things around at the end of the day on Friday, and that pretty much tells you the whole story. Despite the fact there's no reason for the Federal Reserve to loosen anytime soon, traders are buying stocks anyways. Keep in mind, this is an index that is driven by just a handful of stocks. So you're basically buying an ETF when you're going long the NASDAQ 100. Short term pullbacks could occur. They should end up being buying opportunities with 17,000 underneath being a particularly interesting area to try to find some type of value. On the upside, I think we eventually get to the 18,000 level. That's probably what we are targeting now, as it is just 400 points above. This is a market that runs solely on momentum, and I think that momentum probably is starting to come back a little bit. We definitely are at the top of a consolidation range. We just need people to get excited again. And that seems to be the pattern time and time again. No interest on my part whatsoever in shorting this market. I think this is a market that probably just continues to rip to the upside. 18,000 probably would be your next target, and it could cause some issues just because it's a round number. But really, at this point in time, it certainly looks like we will get there sooner rather than later.